Hello everyone! In our previous episodes, we introduced Xmaker, a software platform that works with the Xmachine CNC. It can automatically generate 3D models from text or images and then produce G-code for STL models. Today we will walk you through a brand new capability, importing step files and automatically generating complete 3-axis toolpath. Now we are seeing here are some 3-axis parts that we machined using Xmachine with Xmaker's automatic toolpath generation. Quick side note, STL files only describe the surface mesh of a model. Step files, on the other hand, contain precise solid geometry, curves, holes, tolerances. That's why step is the real language of engineering. And now Xmaker speaks it natively. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Xmaker software and click on Tool bit. You'll see that in addition to STL, the step option is now available. Here, let's switch to 6mm tool bit. This tells the system what tools we have available. Next, go to the AutoCAM interface and click on Stock. Set your blank size and material. We are machining aluminum today, so we'll select aluminum. Now we can import the model, find your step file and bring it in. On the interface, you can check if the model looks correct. You can also adjust its position on the blank. Now it's time to let the system analyze the model. It will recommend which tools to use for roughing and finishing, along with fit rates and spindle speeds. Of course, you can tweak these manually if you prefer. Then simply click Generate Toolpath, and the automatic programming begins. There might be a short queue, but the system will generate the optimal toolpath based on the model's geometry. Okay, the toolpath is generated successfully. Let's run a toolpath simulation first to see how it looks. Everything seems fine. Now we can export the G-code. You can export by process or by toolpath. We'll go with export by toolpath. Before machining, it's always a good idea to run a machine simulation to avoid any collisions. Looks like there are no issues at all. Then just click Upload to sync the G-code directly to your Xmachine. That's the complete workflow. Xmaker automatically generates 3-axis toolpaths from its step file and verifies them with simulation. Next, let's head over to the Xmachine and see how this toolpath performs in real cutting. here's the finished part. Clean, accurate, and machined exactly from our step file. No manual programming, no G-code headaches. Just a few clicks inside Xmaker, and the software handled everything. That's the power of automatic step import, now live in Xmaker. And more features coming soon. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.